You already know that. I want to give you a small task, just a small task. Okay. Let me just try to. All right. Look at this, please. Look at these requirements, please. First, look at these requirements. Write a program. WAP. WAP means write a program. Okay. So void method one, void method two, one default constructor, one parameterized constructor. All right. Method one. How many parameters method one should be having? Three parameters. Okay. What are those three parameters? I don't mind. You can take any three parameters. And what method one should perform addition? Means if I call method one, if I call method one, it should print addition, this string, addition and some value. What is that addition value? It should print. Are you understanding the point? And if I call method two, by the way, method two is parameterized method or non-parameterized method? How many parameters? Two parameters. And it should print a subtraction and some value, like subtraction value. One default constructor. And if we call default constructor, wait, when a constructor will be executed? Simultaneously whenever we are creating an object. Okay. So if we call this default constructor, it should perform division operation, division and some result. And parameterized constructor, only one parameterized constructor. How many parameters you are going to take? Your wish. I don't mind. I'm not going to say that. Completely your wish. But it should be a parameterized constructor. If we call that parameterized constructor, like it should print a multiplication. Okay. And these are the requirements. With the help of parameterized constructor, with the help of parameterized constructor, you need to call method one. From method one, from method one, call default constructor and method two. If you are writing the program according to these requirements, then your first output will be, come on, first output will be multiplication, second output will be addition, third output should be division, and finally last output should be subtraction. That is how you need to write the code. Am I clear with that? Start. Start writing the code, please. Come on, go ahead. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 represents series of output. Like first we should be getting multiplication, after that addition, after that division, after that subtraction. And kindly please do remember, you need to write this according to my requirements. My requirements are point number one and point number two. Please check with that. If completed, please show me the program. So one more time I'm saying you need to write the code according to the requirements. Totally excluding main method. How many methods you need to write? Two methods. Excluding main method, you need to write two methods. How many constructors you need to write? Two constructors. Including main method, three methods. So if anyone completed, please come and show me your code. And remember, if you execute the program, we should be getting your output like this. First multiplication, next addition, division, subtraction, like that. Please. Absolutely perfect. Good job. Uh, Chalpan, please unmute. Feel free. Okay,
Yeah, hi sir.
just a second. Just a second. My speakers are not. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Perfect. Chalpan, right? Your
Hi,
name?
it's Chellappan.
Chalapan. I'm sorry. Okay, Chalapan. In your parameterizer constructor statement number two,
Okay.
what is statement number two in your parameterizer constructor?
I'm calling method one.
How exactly? Did you understand my question, Chalapan?
Uh, in my parameters constructor, in line number two, what I'm calling. Is that?
Absolutely. See, Chalapan, my question is, you know that we need to call a method with the help of its respect to class object, right?
Yes.
But are you using any class object here?
No, but we have already created an object so that internally it can be called, right?
No,
Okay.
no. Your program will execute. That is for sure.
Yes.
Your program will execute. But how? That is the reason.
Uh, so when I previously creating a program that is say like redundancy, so it is more than enough to initialize an
No, no,
object
no, no,
once.
no, no, no. No way, Chilapan. No way. Actually, you are calling method one without creating any object, right?
Yes.
There is no object there. But how that is getting executed? Anyways, in order to, did you understand my question?
Yes, yes, correct,
Okay,
correct.
okay. In order to understand this particular concept, there is a keyword known as this,
This,
Chalapan.
yes.
Okay, up to now we
Uh,
did not discuss about anything about that keyword this. I hope you're understanding the point here, right?
yeah, 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 got it. So this is the operator.
Yes, and this is a keyword. It's a keyword.
Yeah, yeah.
But by the way, the program you have written the program, but not according to the requirements, Chalapan. Please
Okay,
check
okay,
this
got it.
point number one. Please read point number one. This one. Please read point number one. With the help of parameterizer constructor, you need to call method one, not
Okay,
from the parameterizer constructor.
okay, okay, got it.
Kindly please try to cross check that, buddy. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Perfect. Good. Good. Please. Read this point. No, this one. Okay, so you're writing here. Fine. Then fine. Then fine. Good. Nice. Please, what's your pen? Where is main method? Main method, parameterized constructor. You're calling method one. Okay. What is this? No, no, read this. Read this loud. From method one, call default constructor. Please check with that. Okay. Come on. Only 2 to 3 people had completed and showed me. If you complete, please show me. Two minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. Completed? If completed, please show me. And okay, main method. Okay. With the help of parameterizer constructor, where is main method? This is the main method. Inside main method, you wrote parameterized constructor. Okay. Uh, I'm not saying from parameterizer constructor. Check that clearly, please. Please check that clearly. Then please read this point, please. Check that, please. Okay. Pen. Okay. Where is this? It's okay. Then fine. Good. Nice. Nice. Please. Then main method. Come frontally. Where is main method? Okay. Main method. Don't fold your hands. Class A. Okay. And you're calling method one. Method one. Absolutely perfect. Good job. Then main method. Modifications. No. Check it correctly. Syntax error. Please check it correctly. Main method. Okay. With the help of parameterizer constructor, not from the parameterizer constructor. Please cross check. Okay. Main method. Okay. First, what you need to call, what you are calling, cross check that. Okay. Okay. You're calling parameterized constructor. That is okay. Again, read the point clearly. With the help of parameterized constructor, not from the constructor. You are actually calling method one from the parameters constructor. No, not from the constructor. With the help means here only you need to call. Did you understand? Please cross check. Again, you're calling parameter, don't hold. You're calling parameterized constructor. Okay. Where is this parameterized constructor? Here. Inside the parameterized constructor, you are trying to create one more parameterized constructor. This would be recursion. Again, you are calling the same constructor again and again and again. Are you understanding? Yes. So, no. Please check that one more time. All right. Time's up. Method one, syntax error. Solve that. Don't do the syntax errors. Perfect, done. Good job. Perfect. Please. You're coming here. Read this point. Read this point one more time slowly. With the help of parameterized constructor, not from the parameterized constructor. You're calling from the parameterized constructor. No. Okay. All right. Time's up. Now, please bring your notes. Bring your book. Be fast. All right. Yeah, Navya, I got your program, Amma. That is good. That is good. All right. See, guys, understanding the concepts is okay. That is fine. That is fine. But implementing the concepts according to the requirements, that is a little bit tough. You know the concepts, okay, but you should implement them according to the requirements of the client. If you are unable to do that, it's very hard. When I gave you this task, how much time you took to complete it? 5 minutes. Below 5 minutes, she completed. It you may take time. Okay, you may take time, but understand the requirements. You need to write the code according to the requirements. For example, here, all right. Tell me first. I need to take method one. Okay, void method one. Void method one like this. Now, method one should be a parameterized method, non-parameterized method. Eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. Time up. Time up. Parameterized method. How many parameters we need to take? Three parameters, right? So, okay, int x comma, int y comma, int z. All right. What method one should do? What method one should do? It should perform addition operation, right? All right. System.out.println, system.out.println, addition addition plus x plus y plus z. That's it. Okay. Now I need to take one more method. Sure. Void vivo id void method 2, and here two parameters. Int let me go like x comma int y. You know that this x is different, this x is different. Basically these are which variables? Local variables. You know the scope of the local variables are limited to that particular method, right? Okay, now here what method 2 should perform? Method 2 should perform subtraction, subtraction, and subtraction. And here simply I'm going to write x minus y. After that, we need to take one default constructor. All right, let me just try to take a default constructor. And what default constructor should perform? Division. All right, system.out.println division division plus simply I'm going to write 10 by 2 as simple as this, a division. Okay, now let me just try to go with my one more constructor, parameterized constructor. Okay, sure. Let me just try to write like this, and here I'm going to write into I system dot out dot println. It should perform multiplication multiplication plus. Let me just try to go like I into two. I guess I into two. Just I'm doubling the value. That's it, not more than that. Let me go to my main method. Okay. Now here comes the concept. Please read the point here. I want you to read. I want you to read with the help of parameterizer constructor call method one. I'm not saying from parameterizer constructor call method one. I told you, if you want to call method one, take the help of parameterizer constructor. If you want to call a method, you know that we need to call a method with help of its respective class object. Okay. You know that, okay, how to create an object new. We need to use new keyword. After that, what we should do, initialize the object with the help of a constructor. Which constructor you need to take? Parameterizer constructor. Okay, let me just try to take a parameterizer constructor. I created an object, I initialized the object. Now let me try to call my method one. 5, 10, and 15. Just I'm trying to write like this. Right now, if I execute my program, what is our output? I'll be getting my output as a multiplication. Yes, first I'm calling my parameterizer constructor multiplication, and then our output will be addition. Yes or no? Well, first output should be multiplication, second output should be addition. Now, after that, what is the second point here? From method one, okay, means let me come to method one. From method one, call default constructor and method two. All right, new class A, just new class A dot method two, and I'm just trying to go like 101, just like that. Now, if I execute my program, we will be getting our output like this. Multiplication 10. Why? Because from here we'll be coming to here. I value is 5, 5 into 2, 10. Method 1 coming to here, x value 5, y value 10, z value 15. 5 plus 10 plus 15. 5 plus 10 plus 15. What is that? 30. After that, we are creating an object. So coming here, division 10 by 2. Oh, 10 by 2, that is 5. And after that, we are calling method 2, 100 minus 1, that is 99. How simple this is. Why you are making it complicated? Understand my requirements. You need to understand the client requirements, and then you should write the code. Okay. So online students, yes, I got your outputs here, like Pratap, Sai Lalita, and Chilapan, Hi Masuda. Yeah, I got your program, Navya. And one more thing, if you are able to write the program, don't make syntax errors. Don't make syntax errors. Do you write new keyword whenever you are creating an object inside the parameterizer constructor? Sorry, inside method one. Inside method one. You write new keyword. Where are those parentheses? Syntax. Syntax. Now, this is possible only if you are practicing, guys. You will be able to write the code only if you are practicing. If you're not practicing, you will be having a trouble. A lot of people wrote the program, okay, for program, fine, but according to the requirements. According to the requirements, you need to write the code according to the client requirements. So kindly please make that happen. Okay. By this time, you should be able to handle this. If you are unable to handle this program by this time, please cross check yourselves. Please cross check yourselves. Okay. All right. Can I remove this? Shall I remove this? Okay. Online students, I guess it's clear, guys, for everyone. If possible, kindly please try to respond to me in the chat, guys. Online students, please respond to me in the chat. Please respond to me in the chat. See, guys, again, I'm saying you, listening to the classes, coming to the classes will not help you until you practice. Whenever I'm explaining, everything will be easy. It's a common thing. Whenever we are listening to something, everything will be easy. But once if we did not practice, we'll forget. We will forget. Okay. So the first step is always hardest. First step means starting practicing. Yeah. Look at this. Look at my screensaver. First step. How much step is there? Like very lengthy step. Climbing the first step is very hard. Starting practicing is very hard, but slowly, you will be habituated to that. I hope you are understanding exactly what I'm saying. Please respond. Yes, yes. So make that happen. Practice, practice. Please practice. For example, just for example, I'm saying this in my college days. College days, uh, in general, we'll be going to gym, right? In colleges, even I also went to gym at that time, not right now, long back, so long back ago. Recently, last 1 month back, again, I started to going to gym. Like health is important. Starting 2 days, very hard. I'm unable to even type also. I don't know whether you guys are observed or not, but when I'm typing also, I face some pain here. Starting 2 days. Yesterday, I mean, after that, I continued it. Weekly 5 days, I continued. Yesterday, I did not went to that gym. Why I did not went? Today is actually festival. Like there is this festival, Friday festival will be there, Shravan Sukwaram kind of thing, right? So today, my wife want to do some puja. Yesterday, we went for shopping, like for the things which we need to get it. Are you understanding me? So rain is there. We went to shopping. I skipped the gym, but in my mind, I'm thinking about that one only. Hey, I missed the day. I missed today. I missed today. I missed today. Muscle memory. Are you understanding exactly what I'm saying? That is how you should think about practicing. If you skip practicing, you should think like that. "Hey, we did not practice today. We did not practice. We did not practice. Like that, like that, you should. And it is possible. It is possible. First, starting 2 to 3 days, it is very hard. But once you got habituated to practice, believe me when I'm saying this, if you miss practicing, you'll think about it. "Hey, we did not practice today." And that is how you should work with remaining things also. Kindly please don't miss practicing. Don't skip practicing. Am I clear with that? All right. Now, so, okay. This is the question. And don't worry, I'll upload this question also in the Google Classroom. No need to worry about it. Okay, let me just try to remove this. So, yeah, basically we are having four types of operators. First one is increment and decrement operator. Done. Second one is arithmetical operators. We already know that. Now, third one is relational operators. When you're speaking about relational operators, basically we are having six relational operators. We are having six. First one is equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. That's it, not more than that. I'll like give you an example for this. You know what, guys? In our Java, we are having this concept known as control statements. What is that? Control statements. Basically, what is the use of these control statements? Control statements enable control over the program. As simple as this. We will be able to control the program execution. As simple as this. We'll discuss about that control statements very soon, most probably next week, I guess. I'll tell you. By Monday, I'll let you know We'll discuss about these control statements very soon. There are three types of control statements are there: selection, iteration, and jump statements. In selection, we are having if else, if, and switch case. Now, I want to give you a small example about if else. Just a very, very small example. Void method one system dot out dot println. Simply, I'm going to write here method one called. Okay, and now I'm going to make this as a parameterizer method into I if and else. Inside this if, I'm going to write system.out.println simply if block exectd, if block executed, and here system.out.println, I'm going to write a else block executed, exectd, else block executed, as simple as this. Now, if you observe here, inside this parenthesis, concentrate, inside this parenthesis, sit properly, right? Inside these parentheses, we need to write a condition. Condition. When I say condition, it should be giving you the result either true or false. Either true or false. That's it. So I'm going to write I. I want to check. I want to check whether I is equal to 10 or not. I is equal to 10. If I write like this, no, I'll be getting an error. Sir, why we are getting an error? I'm writing I equal to 10. No, 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 no. This is not equal to. This is actually assignment operator. In Java, if you're writing a single equal to, that is assignment operator. We are assigning some value. We don't want to assign. As of now, what we want to do, we want to compare. You need to respond, guys. Basically, we need to compare. So in order to make that happen, we need to use double equal to. As simple as this. So whenever you're writing double equal to, it means we are checking whether I is equal to 10 or not. Okay, let me just try to go to my main method. Now inside my main method, I'm just going to write a new class A, new class A equal to AOBJ belongs to class A, and simply AOBJ dot method one, and I'm going to write A. Tell me, method one is a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? How many parameters? Keep your head straight. Ah, good. Tell me, method one is a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? How many parameters? Type. Tell me. Now tell me, what is the value of I? I'm sorry. You know this. You know this. Int and char both are compatible data types. Okay. Now tell me, which block will be executed? If block or else block? Right click, run as Java application, else block executed. Why? Because come on, the condition is true or false? False. Condition is false. Else block will be executed if the condition is false. False. If block will be executed if the condition is true. Come on, guys. Literal English. If else. If the condition is true, if block will be getting executed, else block is getting executed. Basically, here we are trying to check the relation between I and 10. Okay. What if I write like this? This is basically not equal to. Now, what is the condition? Tell me. Tell me what is the condition? Please tell me. Please open your mouth. Tell me what is the condition. Look at line number 8 and tell me what is the condition. I not equal to 10. Tell me, is condition true or false? Condition is true, and right now, which block will be getting executed? If block will be getting executed. For example, here I'm going to write like this. Tell me the condition. Tell me the condition. I less than 10. Is the condition true or false? False. Absolutely false. So right now, again, we'll be getting our output as a else block. What if I write like this? Read the condition. I less than or equal to. Now tell me, condition is true or false? Right click. False. Yeah, of course. Of course. What is the value of I? 65. Okay, right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting again else block. Okay, what if I write like this? Now tell me. Come on, read the condition, please. Read the condition. I greater than 10. Yeah, of course, I is greater than 10. And we'll be getting an output as if block. And what if I write like this? Read the condition, please. I greater than or equal to 10. Yeah, of course. It is greater than or equal to 10. And so our condition is true. That is, if block will be getting executed. Basically, these are the relational operators. Okay, relational operators equal to. Equal to means how many equal to we need to write? Two. Double equal to. We need to write double equal to operator. Equal to, not equal to, exclamatory and equal to. Not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. All these are relational operators. Relational operators. Okay. Online students, I guess it's clear, guys. Online students, please respond to me in the chat. Please respond. Please respond to me in the chat. Okay. Okay. Check ELIGIPILIT. Let me just try to take one more method. Check eligibility. Okay. Now here I'm going to take int age. Okay. Int age. All right. Now, you know what is the age eligibility criteria for writing a government exam? 18. I guess, okay, let's go with civils. If you want to write civils exam, what is the age eligibility criteria? 21. 21 to 90. What is the, okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, we'll do one thing. If the person age is 21, 21 to 35, let's go like this. If the person age is between, no debate, I'm just giving an example, okay? If the person age is 21 to 35 below, then he is eligible for writing a government exam. Okay. Now I want to check AOBJ dot check eligibility, and here I'm gonna give the age as 25. Okay. Now we need to check the code. Okay, let's go. We need to check the code. If age is age is greater than or equal to 21. Okay. And here, let me just try to go like else block, SYS, come on, SYSO, and here, person is ELIGIBL eligible for EXAM exam. Here, SYSO, simply I'm going to write a person is not eligible for EXAM. Just like that, not more than that. Okay. Now, let me just try to execute. Right click, run as Java application. Person is eligible for exam. What if he is 15? Right click, run as Java application. Okay, he is not eligible for exam. Okay, what if he is 35? Right click, run as Java application. Very good. What if he is 99? If the person is age is 99, is he eligible for exam or not? Come on. Not is actually not eligible for exam. If I execute our program right now, but we'll be getting something like he is eligible. So our code is not correct. I hope you understand the point here, right? So in this particular scenario, what we need to do, basically we need to check two conditions. In this scenario, we need to check two conditions. What are those? First condition should be age should be greater than or equal to 21. And second condition, end. And the second condition is age should be less than or equal to 35. So basically, we need to use, in this particular scenario, we need to use logical operators. Logical operators. Basically, when you're speaking about logical operators, there are three types of logical operators we are having: logical and, logical or, logical not. Okay. Now, logical end. What logical end will do? Okay, I'm just going to write two ampersands. But this is actually logical end, logical end. And here I'm going to give age should be less than or equal to 35. Now, what happens, whenever online students, I want you to kindly please concentrate clearly. Please concentrate clearly. Whenever we are using logical operators, please concentrate clearly. First condition is true. Okay. Second condition is true. Okay. Then only your final output will be true. Let me make this simple. Logical end. What logical end will be doing? It is going to check both the conditions. If the conditions are true, then only your final output is true. If at least one condition is false, that's it. Your final output will be false. Right now, please tell me, right now, I'm giving age as 99. Age as 99. Okay. Tell me what is the first condition? Is it true or false? Please respond. True. Okay. Means true and tell me true and second condition. What is the second condition? Age is less than or equal to 35. Is it true or false? False. Then your final output will be false. Whenever you are using logical and, both the conditions should satisfy. Am I clear with this? Now, if I execute a program, let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. Person is not eligible. I believe it's clear, guys. What if, for example, sir, one condition is true, I'm okay. If one condition is true, I'm fine. Then we need to use or. This is logical or. Whenever you are using logical or, now this is important. Please concentrate clearly. Logical or, what logical or will do? If at least one condition is true, that's it, done, close. It even will not check the second condition also. If one condition is true, then your final output will be true. Logical or, whenever you're writing logical or, the second condition will be checked only if the first condition is false. If first time only the condition is true, means compiler will not bother to go to the second condition. Directly you will be giving your output as come on, true. Am I clear with that? Let me make this simple. Or, logical or means at least one condition should be true. If at least one condition is true, that's it. Your final output also will be true. That is logical or. Okay, this is, just a second, this is end. Now, logical or, how logical or will work? True, or it will not even check the second condition. In this particular scenario, you need to respond, guys. In this particular scenario, it will not even check the second condition. Directly, you will be getting your output as true. 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 Sir, why it will not check the second condition? Why? Because starting only the condition is true. That's it. Second condition will be checked only if the first condition is false. Online students, am I clear with this? Please respond to me in the chat, guys. Online students, am I clear with that? All right. Okay. 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 Now, logical not. Logical not. What logical not will do, it will alter your result. What? Alter your result means your final output is true, then it is going to convert it into false. For example, here I'm going to make this as let me just try to use logical not only here. I'm not using logical not on this entire scenario. I'm using only logical not here. Okay? Eyes on the board. Please concentrate. I'm using logical not only for this one. Right? Here, let me means please consider like this. Okay. So tell me, the first condition is true or false? Okay, I understand. It's a little bit confusion question. According to the code, first condition is true according to the code. But here what we are using? Logical not. Whenever we are using logical not, it will be converted into false. As it is converted into false, second condition will be compared or not? Tell me. Now, what is the second condition? Age should be less than or equal to 35. Is age less than or equal to 35? Respond. No. So, your final output will be FALSE false. Right click, run as Java application. Please tell me, am I clear with this? I hope it's clear, guys. Online students, come on, respond to me in the chat for me. Logical not will reverse your result. Ma, is it clear for you? Shall I explain one more time? It's okay. Now, see, again, one more time I am saying this. We are writing logical not. Logical not means one exclamatory mark. What logical not will do? If your condition is true, it will convert it into false. It will reverse, just reverse. We'll do one thing. For example, I am not writing logical not. For example, I'm not writing logical not. Okay. Now, tell me, what is the age? What is the age I have given? 99. 99 greater than 21. True or false? True. The condition is true. Here, what we are using? Or. Or means if the first condition is true, it will not even check the second condition. What is your final output? True. That's it. Done. Close. Completed. Now, what I'll be doing here, I'm going to use logical not. Logical not. What logical not will do? It will reverse your result. If your result is true, it will convert it into false. If your result is false, it will convert it into true. Means right now I'm using logical not here. So our result is true. Now it will be converted into, you need to respond, guys, false. Here the condition is false. Our compiler will check the second condition also. What is the second condition? Age should be less than or equal to 35. What is the age here? 99. Is 99 less than or equal to 35? 99 less than or equal to 35. Tell me true or false? F false. Now tell me what should be our output here? Let me FALSE false. So false means which block should be getting executed? Else block should be getting executed. Am I clear with that? Online students, please respond. Is that clear for you? Please respond. All right. That is good. So let us just try to recap this. Three logical operators are there. Logical AND. What logical AND will do? Tell me what logical, what you understand, tell me what logical AND will do. Checks both if both are true, then only your final output is true. What logical OR will do? At least one condition is true, that's it, done, close. What not will do? Logical not. Reverse the result. If your final result is true, it will convert it into false. I Believe it's clear, guys. Come on, kindly please have this. Yeah. Here you want to use AND operator. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let me just try to write here in the place of or, we are using AND operator. Exactly the same. Tell me first what happened. First, check this. Age greater than or equal to 21. Please tell me age greater than or equal to 21. Tell me. Yes, age is greater than or equal to 21. What would be the condition? True. But here what we are using? Not. Whenever you are using not, the true will be converted into false. As the condition is false, no need to go with the next one also. What logical end will do? Both the condition should be true. I hope you understand the point here. Here, the first condition is only false. So you should be getting else block, should be getting executed. I believe it's clear. I'll be giving you some more tasks for you. But first, I want you to kindly please have this program for me. Go ahead. Krishna, please give me the code. Please give me the code. Okay. We are going with if age is greater than or equal to 21. Yeah, of course, age is greater than or equal to 21. It is 99. Whenever we are giving age as 99, it is greater than or equal to 21. It is true. Condition is true. Now, if the condition is true, first condition is true, compiler will not even check age is greater than or equal to 35. It will not even go with the second one, buddy. First condition is only true now. So your final output will be true. Yes. Yes. You will not, it will not be going with the second condition also. Okay. If you are giving logical not for the first condition, then it will check the second condition. Then it will check the second condition. Yes, still it's true. Of course it's true. Why? Because age is greater than or equal to 35 na? Obviously. The condition you gave like that. In that scenario, in that scenario, you can write like this. Let me just try to keep it like this. Now please check what I have did. I use logical not on entire condition. Did you observe it in the chat box? Exactly. Exactly. We should understand the code and we need to write that according to our requirements. That's it. That's what I'm trying to say. After this, I have a small task for you. A little bit lengthy program you need to write. Please be prepared. Completed? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Be fast. I want you to write right now. I'll be giving you some tasks. A lengthy program I'll be giving you, nearly 80 to 90 lines of code. Okay. I want you to guess the output. If you are able to guess the output correctly, that's it. Done. You are perfect. We can move on to the next topic. Shall I show you the code? Is it completed? Online students, I need your opinion here. Please respond to me in the chat. Please respond to me in the chat, guys. Sunil, 1 minute, buddy. 1 minute. Be fast. And last week, I uploaded one YouTube video. I don't know whether you watched it or not. Did you watch it? Yes. That today or tomorrow, I'm going to upload one more video, like load balancing. In your Amazon Big Billion Days, Flipkart will be there. Na? Festival, Great Indian Festival sales, like that. In that particular scenario, how that load balancing will be taken care by servers. There are a lot of algorithms are there, like round robin algorithm. I explained that. Feel free to check that. That video, most probably today or tomorrow, we'll upload. Look at it. You may not be able to understand the code. As of now, we did not cover a lot of concepts in that, but you will get an idea. You will be able to get an idea. Just look at it. Okay. All right. So now, class B. Go ahead. Be fast. Feel free to use shortcuts. Amy, I'll let you know. Not right now. After completing control statements, I'll let you know. Wait for it, please. Okay. Not only for constructors, for methods also. I'll let you know. Please wait for it. Can I scroll up to line number 26? Method to complete for everyone. Okay. Please feel free to use shortcuts. Whenever you are writing method 3, make sure to write the comments. Make sure to write the comments. Take time, no worries. Make sure to write the comments. Can I scroll up to line number 44? Line number 51? How many writing up to line number 51? Raise hands. 1 minute? 1 minute. 1 minute, please. That's it. That's the entire code. Completed. Everyone completed? Writing? Still writing? Please write, no problem. After completing, again, I'll try to scroll back from the top. If you miss anything, you can continue. People who already completed, please try to guess the output. 5 minutes time is there. Feel free to guess the output. Okay, I'm scrolling back. If you miss anything, feel free to check that one more time. Method 3. Yeah, sure. Okay. Navya, is that okay, Amma? Okay. Venugopal, please check that. Is that clear? Yeah, great. So I want you to please guess the output and check whether your output is right or wrong by executing the same thing in the Eclipse. Could you please do that? Make sure to do that. Don't skip the tasks. Please don't skip the tasks, okay? And trust me, you'll be surprised with your answers. Feel free to check whether your output is right or wrong. If your output is right, very good. If your output is wrong, please feel free to analyze why your output is wrong. You should be figuring it out. Okay. All right. Tell me the line number. All right, guys. That's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. Yeah, Murli, lot of things are there, right? Continue. Please continue. Please continue with that and we'll find out. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Thank you.